You can see the guys. Chief Imo, they can't hold up for here. You can see the guy. What's the name of your school? Guy, what's the name of your school?
Imo State College of Health and Management Sciences.
Okay, you can see the students of Imo State College of Health and Management Science, Amiibo. They are doing their rag day, and accidentally they ran into Chief Imo Worldwide. They ran into Chief Imo Worldwide in his hometown, Ekwe, Umuduru Ekwe. They met him doing some cleanup, and wow, they are so happy seeing Chief Imo Worldwide. You can see the joy, the smile on their face.